Kamal Hassan spoke on Talaivar Rajini's entry in politics ahead of the 2021 Tamil Nadu polls. Kamal Hassan said, and I quote, "We are just a phone call away. If our ideology are similar and if that would benefit the people, we are ready to throw our ego and ready to cooperate with each other." Listen into the reaction that's coming in.
நாங்கள் இருவருமே ஒரு ஃபோன் கால் அவே. ஒரு ஃபோன் போட்டால் கிடைக்கக்கூடியவர்கள் தான் இருவருமே, ஒருவருக்கொருவர். அதில் நாங்கள் என்ன வேணுமோ உதவி செய்ய முடிந்தால் உதவி செய்வோம் ஒருவருக்கொருவர். அது ஒத்து வந்ததென்றால் கொள்கைப்படியும் மக்களுக்கு நன்மை பயக்கும் என்றால் எந்த ஈகோவையும் விட்டு கொடுத்துட்டு நாங்கள் ஒத்துழைப்போம் என்பதை ஏற்கனவே சொன்னது தான். புதுசாக ஒன்றும் சொல்ல வேண்டியதில்லை. நாங்கள் இருவருமே ஒரு ஃபோன் கால் அவே. ஒரு ஃபோன் போட்டால் கிடைக்கக்கூடியவர்கள் தான் இருவருமே, ஒருவருக்கொருவர். அதில் நாங்கள் என்ன வேணுமோ உதவி செய்ய முடிந்தால் உதவி செய்வோம் ஒருவருக்கொருவர். அது ஒத்து வந்ததென்றால் கொள்கைப்படியும் மக்களுக்கு நன்மை பயக்கும் என்றால் எந்த ஈகோவையும் விட்டு கொடுத்துட்டு நாங்கள் ஒத்துழைப்போம் என்பதை ஏற்கனவே சொன்னது தான். புதுசாக ஒன்றும் சொல்ல வேண்டியதில்லை.
Getting us more updates from Chennai is my colleague Apurva, who's joining us live. Apurva, undoubtedly a big statement that is being made by Kamal Hassan, perhaps the first time when he's essentially hinting at an alliance with Rajinikanth.
Well, in fact, Kamal Hassan had been speaking at Kovilpatti today, where he is on day 3 of his election campaigning. And right now, the statement that he has said about his possible alliance with Rajini definitely comes at a time when Rajinikanth is just a few weeks away from announcing the launch of his political party. In fact, December 31st, superstar Rajinikanth said that he will be making the launch of his political party. And now the Makkal Needhi Mayyam chief saying that yes, we are eye to eye, we look at eye to eye on matters of the state, and if it is for the welfare of the state, and if the decisions that Rajini is thinking about for the welfare of the state are somewhat on the lines of what I am thinking, Kamal Hassan says that yes, he will be possibly looking at an alliance. But this, remember earlier this year as well, Kamal and Rajini, when Rajinikanth had made an announcement in March earlier this year, he had said that yes, there might be possible alliances between Kamal and Rajini, especially during the time when Rajinikanth had also said yes, they will be looking into possible alliances. But right now, when we are seeing, we are also seeing Kamal Hassan also saying that yes, if their ideologies match, if their one reason being welfare of Tamil Nadu is the one reason that will bring them together, Kamal Hassan says he would keep aside their egos and they will work together for the betterment of Tamil Nadu.
Well, Apurva, any other reaction coming in from perhaps Rajinikanth's camp? Any hint whatsoever?
Purva.
Camp, what we are learning right now is that Rajini Makkal Mandram cadres are on a very busy schedule, just weeks ahead of Rajinikanth's official launch. Rajinikanth earlier this month had already said that he will be making an announcement on the start of his political party in January 2021, that is January next year, and that he will be making an official announcement on December 31st. So all eyes are on Rajinikanth as well. In fact, when it comes to Tamil Nadu politics, because remember, even at Rajinikanth's birthday, that was just a few days back, there were statements that had come out where people were anticipating, fans and followers of Rajinikanth were anticipating that he join and he start the political movement that he had promised in December of 2017. So Rajinikanth's side cadres are also expected. Sources tell us that cadres are on a very tight schedule and are busily preparing for the preparations for the announcement that Talaivar is expected to make on December 31st. So while all eyes are on Rajinikanth, Kamal's statement right now that comes in during his first electoral campaign definitely does see a mark and does see a bright light towards Kamal and Rajinikanth's alliance. So depending on what Rajinikanth is expected to say on December 31st, that will be what will be the binding series, and if the ideologies of Kamal and Rajini match, then more will be known on December 31st when Rajnikant is expected to make that statement that millions are waiting to hear from the superstar.
Well, in fact, Apurva, let's also listen into what Kamal Haasan had to say just a while ago. And undoubtedly, this is a big step, given the fact that perhaps for the first time you're looking at Kamal Haasan now hinting at a possible alliance with Rajnikant. It remains to be seen how exactly would Rajnikant respond.